I recently put money into SoFi stock, and if you're watching this, you've probably wondering the same thing that I was. Is this a long-term winner or just another overhyped financial stock? If you're into real investing breakdowns without the fluff, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe button, and please comment below what it is you would like to see in future videos, as I love covering topics on videos that you guys specifically want to see. Now, before I go on to the rest of the video, um, I had to ask myself, would I actually use something like this? And the truth is, the idea of having everything, banking, investing, loans, all on one app is just way more convenient. Like, you don't even have to deal with multiple flat platforms or physical banks anymore. And once I realized that this is probably where things are going, that's when I started talking, and that's when I started to take the stock more seriously. Now, the opportunity with SoFi stock is SoFi is targeting something massive, replacing traditional banks, and the reason they might win is because you don't need a physical bank anymore. You don't need a physical branch anymore, and they make money specifically from loans, interest, and financial services. And the more users they get, the more they can cross sell everything they make onto one app, and they do it all inside of one app. Now, what makes this interesting is most growth companies struggle to become profitable. SoFi is starting to flip that switch, and that's when stocks can really start moving. But what you do need to watch, if loan defaults rise or growth slows, this story can change quickly. Do you think SoFi is a long-term hold or a short-term play? Please let me know below what it is you think about SoFi. And this is one of those stocks that when you need to decide is, are you early or wrong? Because I do see in the comment sections that there's lots of people that do think that just because of the fact that they probably won't see any type of profits for the next 6 to 12 months minimum, they personally think that it's a waste of time, and that is a fair point if you are some type of swing trader. But even if you are a swing trader or a day trader, you can still take profits from the upside or the downside, because as you do know, you can short a stock. But if you're a long-term investor, there is nothing wrong with not seeing any unrealized profits for a long amount of time, especially for a company like SoFi that has profitability, continuous growth in revenue quarter over quarter and year over year, and overall is offering a service that is going to most likely stay for the long term and is a very big convenience for the marketplace. So when you see a lot of factors that show a business is going to is growing at the moment, is going to continue to grow, and the numbers do reflect that with profitability, there is no reason why you shouldn't be patient with and be okay with 6 to 12 months or more of no profitability in the long run. Because again, if you are a long-term investor, you it is okay. It is good to buy during these periods of time if you believe in the company is going to work long term, and you do truly believe that in the long run the price actually is going to continue to go up to the upside. Because in times like this, because as you do see here, SoFi stock closed the week at $15.23. So we are at cheap prices compared to the prices of the all-time highs at $32.73. Now, all I'm trying to say is if you do believe in the long-term vision of this company, please do buy at these prices, at these cheap prices, because if you do hold with a 5-10 year period, if it is a company that is going to be in the long run, is going to work in the long run, is going to be a winner in the long run, and you do believe in the long-term vision of the stock, then there's nothing wrong with buying at these stocks, holding, and being okay with seeing no unrealized gains for a decent amount of time if you are a long-term bag holder of any company specifically. Now, I'm not telling you to buy this stock. I personally did make purchases of the stock, but please make the best decision for your portfolio and do all the due diligence to do all the research necessary in any stock you do buy and own in your portfolio. But I'm just saying, all I'm trying to say is if you do decide to buy this stock and you're a long-term holder and you buy at these cheap prices, there's nothing wrong with waiting for many months or years and just letting your positions hold while you do other things with your time to focus on shorter term cash flow, whether that's day trading or any other means you have of making money in the short term. Now, all I want to get at now is I do believe SoFi is a buy for the long term. Make your decision if you do believe it is or it's not. Please comment below what it is you think about SoFi Bank or SoFi stock. And please subscribe from us for more if you do enjoy breakdowns on stocks like SoFi, and comment below what it is you would like to see in future videos. But with that being said, guys, InvestQ out. Love doing these videos for you, and I want to keep covering topics that you guys want to see. So stay safe, keep making good decisions for your long-term portfolio, and I'll see you all in the next video.